Metric class, we are starting Wafaki Muhtasib of Islamic laws. This is point number 8. Muhtasib is related with ihtisab, accountability. As you know that accountability is an important aspect in this society because it is necessary to keep a check on the powers of the government officials. If someone feels aggrieved by the government official or by any government department, he has just to write the complaint on a plain paper and send it through ordinary post to the Wafaki Muhtasib. Now that will be the duty of Muhtasib to check the complaint of the person, and they will give the punishment to that concerned department or official. Majlis-e-Shura, this is the parliament. Till 1985 there was no parliament because the elections were not conducted in the country. So Zia made Majlis-e-Shura, which was composed of 50 members. It was composed to know about the Islamic laws which will be implemented in the Islamic society, because he wanted to satisfy the demands of the people to implement Islamic laws in the country. Interest-free banking, that is related with the banking system. As we know that banking system is based on interest, so Zia announced interest-free banking system. It also known as PLS scheme, profit and loss sharing scheme. There will be no interest in that scheme. If the bank face profit, then that will be equally distributed among all the account holders. And if there is any loss to the bank, it will also be given equally to all the account holders. So this system is PLS scheme, which is interest-free banking. So to discuss all these points, we come to know that Zia tried to enforce Islamic laws because that was the demand of the society, political leaders, and all the opponent parties. And thank you all.